believe it's going to be good. Internet show that it will be good. Weather is not after 2 o'clock. At 1 o'clock already we'll be back. The first place we see here is Pandaku Beach, after is the Sea Caves, Pala Caves, Cabo Greco, Corners Beach, Blue Lagoon, and we'll be back at 1 o'clock, guys. Like this. And I don't know if it's anybody see helicopter. I call them, they pick them up. If it's not pick them up helicopter, they push them on the stone and they die. That's why I'm telling you, if it's waves, never swim here, never. Just I love you to know, like now, today, after 3 o'clock, it's going to be the same weather like yesterday. That's why the helicopter come here yesterday and take the people. Because I've been to this van to buy an ice cream and I hear the voice. This is La Bridge of Wayanaba, guys. Where is the guy, he tried to go up. That's why everybody come here, they find this by internet. And this is a sick cave for Wayanaba, it's a very big cave. The hotel behind is named Sun Garden. We come in exactly on good time. You know, after 1 o'clock, the internet show 3 o'clock. It's going to be very strong wind. But we believe in half hour it's going to be a lot of wind. Anyway, we are lucky anyway. We come back early. That's why we do 2.5 hour trip.
Oh my gosh! I'll leave one of those. It might work then. What a life jacket, that's really
Vous pouvez rester, hein. Vous pouvez rester. En fait, je voulais mettre mes pieds. Je voulais mettre mes pieds.
Do you want to put a life jacket on?
Alissa said she could
Like this. So do you want, I don't know whether I'll put a life jacket on and go.
life jacket.
There we go. I can't breathe with that one. Is that suffocated? Good. Okay, so Josh, you've weathered the ocean.
No, I'm going to go down the back.
I'll let you go down first and then you can take my camera.
Oh, you could do that.
Yeah, but I don't really want to do that in this. When you get down, I'll give you my. Oh, getting hypothermia. Oh, I can float. I don't have to do anything. Like life jacket's cheap. I don't have to do anything. I can just relax, you know. This is bloody freezing though. Oh, it's so cold. That's so cold. That's so cold. Are you cold? I'm freezing. They're gonna watch this back and be like, what the hell? This is really cold. No, but I'm getting hypothermia. I could just stand here and be floating. I'm not cold anymore. I'm freezing. My legs are freezing. It's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. That's my. I'm floating to the world. Yes, it worked. I was actually going to test that and wow. You can dip your head under, and that's about it. But you'll float up. Mum. Oh, my legs are cold. I can't go underwater because I've got a life jacket on. I feel like I'm in Titanic. Can I take it off? No. No, you're not allowed to take it off. Because you can't swim. You know. Okay, you want to come over this way with the fishes? Go over there. Hey everyone, I've been ditched. Oh, she's jumping in. Oh! I got that on camera! I got that on camera. As I was saying, oh, you can just hold on to me then, if you get tired. Basically, good morning everyone, right, it's afternoon now. All today what we've been doing, so I haven't been vlogging that much, today we've been doing nothing but boat trip. We're on a boat trip at the moment. Swimming in the blue sea. Look how nice this blue is. Oh my goodness, that's salty. I swallowed it. She fell off the boat. I jumped off. That was my jump. That was a weird ass jump. Why is everyone going? Oh, they're swimming too far. Okay, oh, they're kissing. Bit romantic. Right, Caitlin, can you come over here so I can see the fishes? He's flying! He's flying! Can you hold that? I need to lay on my back a minute. Oh, sorry. It's okay. I need to put these on. There we go. Hold on to me if you get tired. Now, I'm going to put the water over here because there's fishes. Hey, he's flying! He's flying! Okay, hold on to me. Hold on. Where are you going? To get the life jacket. There's so many fishes. cold. Yeah, I just got it on camera, but I can only go like this. I can't go far. I didn't want a life jacket, but I can't last long with that one. I'm cold now. There's goggles over there if you want them. Kate, do you want the goggles? Do you want the goggles? No, I can't do it. And I can pull you to shore. How did you get further than me? I've got to try and get up here now. Boom, 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 boom. My face is burning.
That's why everybody comes here. They find this by internet. This is a sea cave from like another. It's a very big cave. The hotel behind is named Sun Garden. We can't.
This is so pretty. Oh my god. A G? Yeah. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but look at all the different flavours they got here. In the UK they've only got raspberry, apple and red berry. They got blackcurrant, passion fruit and mango. Okay, I look a really bad mess right now. But hey guys. I am sorry I have not vlogged this much. Oh my goodness, I look so bad. I'm sorry I've not vlogged. as much this holiday so far. It has been hectic. It's because this place is a new place. I know I said I'll record for you guys, but because this place is a new place and that, I just wanted to like enjoy it. It turns out this island is more cats than humans, which is quite funny. I'll just tell you what we did today. So we went on a boat trip this morning, and then we walked all the way back from the harbour to here. So we walked for like 2 hours straight, looked at all the shops and everything. And then I met this cute dog called Jack. He was deaf. It was someone from the UK who moved to Cyprus. Lovely guy. And then now we were going to go in the pool tonight, but it is so cold. Like the wind's a bit cold. So we came back, and then I was going to have an hour nap, but I ended up having 3 hours naps, and then it's 8 o'clock now, so we're just going to spend the evening in relaxing, just because we've had every night out. So I'm in my pyjamas. So yeah, Caitlin was feeding the cat over there earlier. So tonight we're just eating in. We had food earlier at the restaurant, so we just got some pasta and like some bits, and then we got some Smirnoff and stuff. I am sunburned. I've gone really sunburned. And yeah, oh yeah, I forgot to say, earlier on the boat, one of the captains fell over, hit me on the head by accident. And another one, when I was closing my eyes on the way back just to have a rest, one of them sat on my leg by accident, so I shuffled over. Yay. I don't know why I did that. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna go have food and just play games, like card games and stuff like that, and then watch TV. I think CSI is on the TV right now. That's why I came out to talk to you, because it's really loud. So yeah, I'll show you what food we got. This is we figured out the pool lights. Oh wow, we did figure out the pool lights, and somehow they're off now. We figured out these lights. Well, my parents have. So we have got.
That'll work out nicely for you because we're keeping them.
Here's got focuses. CSI on the table. On the TV. And then for food, we've got, well, not food, we've got Smirnoff ices, we've got meats, we've got pastas, and then this, we've got sweets as well. This really kind man called Luca, who rents out bikes and stuff like that. He gave us a watermelon, which is really sweet. And I think that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna go have food. Oh, we've got some crisps. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye. Okay, we're playing charades. Wait, I've got to go back this way. Okay.
No talking, mime.
Wait 1 minute, I need to check it.
What happened to being a
Wrong
mime?
one.
Come on, mime.
Ow! Booty. Okay.
Film. Two words. Which word are we on?
First word. Hit.
Ah!
Slap.
Attack.
Attack.
Mean
girl.
Bully.
Oh, for fuck's sake! I didn't even start it.
But. Two words. Pennywise.
First word.
The clown.
Second
The bikini.
The look.
The princess.
The hat.
The Santa.
Crown.
The church.
The creeped out. The scary. The house. The doll.
The
What
reach.
the hell?
The grab.
Stop saying that, Benjamin!
Don't talk.
Oh,
Quick, go on.
Right, there.
The
Come on.
TV. The controller.
The thing.
No.
The snow.
rain.
The
The
sky.
Christmas.
The weather.
The universe.
Christmas. The Santa. The reindeer. The snow.
The snow.
The snowfall.
The winter.
The reindeer. The Grinch.
Oh,
Was it the Grinch?
it looked like it.
The Christmas. The weather.
The
Christmas.
The Santa. The reindeer. Rudolph.
The owl.
The Blitzen. The pig.
second
Well, we
word.
know we want the second one. We got that already.
The X.
Xmas.
Yes. How many is there then? 2 or 3?
2 words. The Christmas.
Xmas.
The Christmas Jesus was born.
No, it's 2 words.
We're already on the second, so once you gone back to the
The
second?
dinosaur. What are you doing to my friend?
The dinosaurs.
The
Jurassic Park.
history.
Don't crush him.
the 2.
The past.
The Christ.
The pig.
The dinosaur.
The
The
snow. The ice age. The ice age.
The Iceland.
He's been trapped in ice. The hat. The Christmas dinosaur.
hat, the
The
Santa.
pregnant.
The Santa.
Santa. The Santa's
claws.
tree.
Claus.
The claws.
The Santa's dinosaur. The Santa's friend. Santa's born.
Santa, the Christmas.
Naughty and nice.
The days. Counting down the days.
The countdown.
Almost Christmas.
The wife.
The night before Christmas. The Eve.
The
Christmas
night.
Eve. The Christmas
Eve.
Eve.
The Eve. The Christmas.
Oh, Jack. Jack, you know from that
The
film.
Christmas.
Christmas present. The
He's a
Christmas gift.
monster. You know
The
Jack.
Christmas dino.
What's
Saw.
his name?
That's 3 words
The
then,
Christmas
is it?
Yeah.
dinosaur.
She's trying to get us to guess the second word using him.
The Christmas.
Boys.
Christmas dinosaur.
Presents.
The Christmas.
Gifts.
Bike.
A different word for Christmas.
Dirt bike.
The Xmas.
The Xmas gift. The Xmas holiday.
The sleigh.
The festive dinosaur.
The sleigh.
Christmas.
The Christmas.
The Christmas.
Does it have anything to do with my
Christmas
dinosaur?
Christmas
The
dragon.
Toy.
Toy. The
Christmas dragon.
The Christmas toy that came alive at night.
Rock.
The Christmas scare.
The Christmas animal. The
The
Christmas.
scare.
Cat, dog, elephant,
The
sheep,
Christmas
lion. Oh, which one?
Cat.
The Christmas lion.
Reindeer.
Christmas dinosaur. Back to that again.
The
Christmas dinosaurs.
The Christmas dinosaur.
Dine.
The
Christmas
Christmas
Barney.
dino.
Christmas swords.
The Christmas diner.
The Christmas.
The Christmas singing.
The Christmas.
The Christmas
No,
song.
I don't give up. The Christmas.
Caitlin said it. No, you're mine.
I said it. Okay, the Christmas dinosaurs.
Christmas dinosaurs.
The Christmas
Eat.
dinosaurus.
Yeah.
What? That's 3 words.
What is that?
It's 2 words. The Christmas dinosaurs.
I've never heard of that.
Where is it?
The Christmas dinosaurs.
The Christmas. Let me see. Saurus. The Christmas
The
this.
Dinosaurus. Dinosaur.
And all the other weird things you
To get
can do.
the Christmasaurus.
Christmas